in your computer keyboard, this is the alt key and this is the number 5 key. So if you press this alt key and 5 key, these two keys at the same time, then you can move to date calculation mode. If you suppose if you are using a calculator app in your Windows computer, if you are using calculator app in your Windows computer, and if you open this, so we are in a standard page now, and suppose if you press these two keys, there is the alt key and 5 key, these two keys at the same time, then you can see that date calculation mode have been added. And suppose if you want to calculate the difference between 2 days, then you can easily calculate here. Hope this video is useful for more videos. You can subscribe. Thank you.